How to become an Instacart shopper. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can become an Instacart shopper to sell your own products. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually become an Instacart shopper, you have to apply and you want to make sure that you have a legit shop because Instacart is going to verify that. And all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then launch Instacart that you can see over here. Once you launch Instacart, currently I have a customer account, but let's say I want to have a shopper's account. To do this, I just have to tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side over here. Once I tap the three lines icon from the top left, I just need to scroll down. Here you'll find all the way at the bottom that is become a shopper. So all you have to do is just tap on become a shopper button. Once you tap on become a shopper over here, you'll find this option over here. So you can see work your way, get paid and make someone's day. So just tap on sign up. Now all you have to do is simply make sure to fill in this necessary details such as your first name, the last name, as well as the phone number of your shopper account, and you want to make sure to enter the email address that you want to use over here. Once you enter the email address, you can enter a zip code and just follow the instructions, tap and create account, and your shopper account will be successfully created. And now you can use the Instacart shopper app in order to become a shopper. And that's it on how you can become a shopper on Instacart. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.